Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Good evening, everybody. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, can you hear me? We are having 8 minutes left. We are going to start once it is 8. We have 4 minutes left to start the webinar. We have 2 minutes left to start the webinar. Good evening, everyone. I welcome you all to the day two of the webinar for Introduction to Database Management System. I want you all to signify if you are hearing me with an emoji, with your best emoji. Good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, please just send your best or your favorite emoji. Please, if you can hear me, just send your favorite emoji in this chat section. Hello, please, can you hear me? Hello, please, can you hear me? Hello, please, can you hear me? Okay, let's start. I said last week we have been taught the theoretical part of introduction to database management system. Please, I would like everybody to send in their favorite emoji. I want everybody to send in their favorite emoji. So we are going to do theoretical, the practical part of the theoretical aspect that we have been taught, and it's going to be a very wonderful session in which everybody is going to gain a wonderful knowledge. Now, we have done what is database, we have already been taught. So, and this that I'm going to do now, in the comment, in the chat section, I'm going to drop a link for downloading the software that we are going to use, because right now we'll be going to creating a database. Now, looking at the slide that we have here, creating a database involves defining a structure and initializing it in a database management system like PostgreSQL. Now, on this particular stage, we are going to be using MySQL Workbench. Yes, the reason for using MySQL Workbench is because we are going to enjoy the interface and the experience. We have different type of software that we can use to write SQL, but MySQL happens to be one of the best according to my research. Now, so I'm going to drop the link now in the chat section. We are going to see the link for downloading the MySQL Workbench. I've sent the link. We can check the chat section. Now, on my own system here, I have already downloaded the software. But clicking that link, we are going to see on the platform where we are going to click on how to download. So after downloading the software, as we all know, we will need to install, and the installation doesn't require any difficulty. It is just very, very simple. We just need to follow what they are trying to prompt up for us, and the application will be installed. Although it may take up to like 5 minutes because the storage is like 7 and something MB. Now, I'm going to show us, this is my own MySQL Workbench. I will try to open it. This is my own. Welcome to my SQL Workbench. Please, we can check the comment section to see the link to the MySQL workbench. Or we can equally open our browser, going to Chrome, and we can type MySQL workbench. You can see it's loading. This is it. Clicking on this MySQL workbench. Then we just need to navigate. Then this is it. Download. I have it on my system already, so I don't need to download again. So we can just download from here. This is one of the best software for writing SQL scripts. Now, let's go back to our MySQL workbench. As you can see, once you download and you install, it's going to create a local instance MySQL 80. This is it here. This is it here. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open. Now it has opened. Yes, it has opened. Now I want to explain the interface. Now on this interface, if we check very well, we have file, we have edit, we have view, we have query, we have database, we have server, we have tools, we have scripting, and we have help. We have all this on the interface. That is if we have downloaded it on our system. Now, what we need to do now, if we can see this page very well, these are some of the scripts I have done, because on this webinar today, we have a guideline that we are going to follow. I'm going to show you. This is it here. This is what we want to do. We want to know how to create a database. We want to know how to create a tables, and we also do merging of tables, appending tables using cat function. How is it done? Then how can we delete a table in a database? So therefore, we are going to let's go back to our MySQL. Now let me explain this. Now, if we look at the left hand side, we see, looking at my cursor, we see administration, then we'll be seeing schema. We are seeing administration, then we also see schema. Now, this schema it is also called database. It is also called database. Although this schema is another word that is used to represent database in SQL. This is schemas. So all what I'm having here are all database that I created, except only one. Now, if you look at this, my left hand side very well, we have SYX. This SYX is a default database that was created immediately I install and I download my MySQL workbench. Now, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to create a database. Now, I can do it in two ways. Now, if we look at it, if we look at this icon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, we will see that immediately we put our cursor on it, it will be showing to us create a new SQL tab for executing. It will be showing what we need to do. Now, instead of me coming here to create a new database, which is showing create a new schema in the connected server, I can come down to this space here and I can just right click After I click, then I will see create schema. This is it. Create schema. Please, if you can hear me out, if you understand, please, you can just type yes. Now, once it's showing new schema, now I can put the name that I want here. Let's assume I want to use my library.